Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you. Hi, this is Rachel Barnett from Gentle Frog. In this video, I want to show you how to make some of your customers inactive. I want to take a step back and let you know that it's not necessary to make customers inactive, but this is just an option in case you want to for some reason. So if you go on the left-hand side to sales and then to customers, you'll get to your customer list. Let's pretend that you want to make one customer inactive. Let's pretend that the one customer you want to make inactive is Alvin. I'm going to go ahead and click on Alvin. In the upper right-hand corner where it says Edit, I'm going to click the drop down to the right of Edit, and then I'm going to say Make Inactive. It says, warning, this person has customers or projects or anything. I'm like, yep, that's fine. Just make them inactive. That's what I want to do. They're now inactive. Let's go back to our customer list. When I look at my customer list, I no longer see Alvin. If I made them inactive, but I want to make them active again, it's no problem. I can click on the little tiny gear to the right. I can say include inactive. I'll click the gear again. So now I can see Alvin is deleted, which is QuickBooks code for inactive. Over to the right, I can say make active. Let me put this back so we're not seeing all the inactive stuff. Let's imagine that I had a couple customers I wanted to make inactive and I didn't want to do it one by one. What I can do in that case is click the checkboxes to the left of my customer names. I can come here to batch actions and I can say make inactive. It says they have, people have balances. Let's click no. Let's not inactivate somebody with a balance. Okay, let's inactivate people who don't owe us any money. So make inactive, yes. They are now inactive. Just a reminder, to see them and make them active again, you click on the gear, you find your people, you click make active, life is good. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments box. If there are videos you'd like to see me create, please don't hesitate to let me know. If you'd like to see our blog with step-by-step instructions, we'll put a link to it in the description for this video. As always, thank you so much.